Hello everyone. Today we are solving a PSAT question and the given equation is y is equal to minus 4x plus 40. Okay, and the question says which table gives three values of x and their corresponding values of y for the given equation. So what we need to do, we must check which table correctly follows the equation y is equal to minus 4x plus 40. That means for every x value we must substitute into the equation, then calculate y, then check which table matches. So let's solve it step by step now. We are given y is equal to minus 4x plus 40. Okay, so let's understand what this means. This is a linear equation in a slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b, right, where m is the slope and b is the y intercept, right, and here the slope is minus 4 and y intercept is 40. Okay, that means when x is equal to 0, y should be 40, and every time x increases by 1 and y decreases by 4, right? Very important idea, because the slope is negative 4 and the y values must go down by 4 each time x increases by 1. Keep that in mind. Now substitute the values of x. So let's test x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now when x is equal to 0, substitute into the equation y is equal to what? Minus 4 into 0 plus 40, that is 40. So the first correct pair must be 0, 40. Okay. Now when x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? Minus 4 into 1 plus 40, that is 36. So the second correct pair must be 136, right? Now when x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 4 into 2 plus 40, that is 32. So the third pair must be 232. Okay. So the correct table must contain 0, 40, 1, 36, 2, 32. Right? Now let's compare with the options. So check option A. Option A says 0, 0, 1, minus 4, 2, minus 8. Is that correct? No. When x is equal to 0, y should be 40, not 0. So option A is the wrong answer. Okay. Now come to option B. Option B says 0, 40, 1, 44, 2, 48. Let's observe the pattern. The y values are increasing by 4, but our equation has slope minus 4. That means y must decrease by 4, not increase. So option B is also not correct. Now come to option C. Option C says 0, 40, 136, 232. Now let's compare. When x increases, 40 goes to 36, like decrease by 4, and 36 goes to 32, decrease by 4. That perfectly matches the equation y is equal to minus 4x plus 40. So option D is the correct option. Now come to option D. Option D says 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 8. Again, when x is equal to 0, y should be what? 40. Yes. So option D is also wrong. Okay, so the final answer for this question will be option C. Now, whenever you see a question like this, like identify the equation, then substitute each x value, then calculate it carefully, and then check the pattern of the slope. And since the slope has -4, y must decrease by 4 every time x increases by 1. That quick observation can help you eliminate the wrong options even very faster. Now the equation was y is equal to -4x plus 40, right? Now the correct values: x is equal to 0, y is equal to 40, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 36, and when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 32. So the correct table is option C. So this was the whole solution for this question. Very logical question. See you in the next session with a new question. Till then, bye bye and take care.